po ng cast is solid po siya.
OA.
Okay.
Oh,
More than friends.
you know, when you're locked in sa shoot, we were almost a couple of months in the island. Sa La Playa Roja. Araw-araw kami nagkikita, di ba? Minsan makikita mo sila kung nagtutoothbrush, di pa rin sila nagtutoothbrush. Yung talagang everyday you see them. Every after work, we have this small gathering. We either talk all night, kwento, kahit may maagang taping the next day. It was such a joy because it strengthened our bonds. Sige mo, may boat ride kami, every Sunday may volleyball, every rest day may volleyball, may kung ano-ano nagaganap. So it strengthened the bond. And I learned to play a few games.
Such as?
They taught me Mr. White and Codenames. So di ba, natuto ako mag-games ng mga gano'n.
Mr. White.
Di ba? So it was really a joy working with this group. That's why ako ang pinakaiyakin dito. Kasi every time na nararamdaman ko yung this is getting real, the end is getting real, umiiyak na ako.
Thank you, Miss Janice, for sharing those stories. Okay, so kay Maymay naman, who would have thought, actually this also came from the press, who would have thought Maymay would be doing an action scenes? Ano ang pinakamahirap or siguro medyo dangerous stunt na nagawa mo dito sa serie?
Bago ko po sagutin yung second question niyo, sir, pati ako hindi ako makapaniwala na pinagkatiwala po nila sa akin itong genre na to. Pero matagal ko na din pong sinasabi na sobrang pinakagusto kong at pangarap ko talagang gawin na yung action talaga po. Tapos hindi naman po ako naghahangad kumbaga na, bigyan niyo po ako action mo, sige naman mo. Hindi naman po. Kusa na lang siyang dumating sa tamang panahon na kung saan ready ako. Mentally, physically, emotionally, tapos ready na din po akong mag-acting. Tapos nung sinabi nila na action nga po yung genre, yung totoo nga po yung character ko dapat walang action eh. Sabi ko, kung action na lang din po yung genre, pwede sama na lang din po ako kasi gusto ko din talagang matuto. Tapos nung nag-training na po ako ng action, super lucky na ako kasi 3 days lang po yung training ko para magawa ko yung tamang suntok.
So kung magkakaroon ng panibagong opportunity na
Yes,
magkaroon
po.
ng action ulit, you would consider?
Yes po, 100% po. Kaya kapag may nagtatanong sa kung ano yung pinakamahirap na action, wala talaga kasi sobrang na-enjoy ko siya. Kaya hindi nga po nagamit yung double ko kasi pwede ako na po lahat, hirap ko na lahat, gagawin ko po talaga. So yun, kung gagawin ko siya ulit, 100% talagang tatanggapin ko po.
Thank you, Maymay. Sir Joel, para sa inyo naman po, would you say na kamusta po muna yung experience po ninyo with the character ni Neil in the show?
It's such a welcome departure for me because I usually play a good dad, lagi mabait, pero ito full-blown kontrabida talaga. And I enjoy it every day because as an actor, you get to, find your range, that's one, at tapos explore everything, and play along. Yung nag-enjoy ka kasi gusto mo yung mga eksena dahil gusto mo mag-challenge, gusto mo to play with it, play with the scenes, and I was having a really great time.
Pero sir, sanay din po kayo sa action, but at the same time, gano'n po ka-challenging itong action scenes, the whole action character?
I used to have been doing action film, pero for the first time as a senior citizen, you get to ride an ATV and do your stunts and roll and everything. So, okay naman yung mga salompas, okay lang.
Naka-ready naman yung mga yun.
Sige, tapos good thing, safety first of course. So it's a good thing na we have the safety officers and everything. Pero, yeah, grabe. For the first time, nakakaramdam ako ng hihingal. Hinihingal ako sa set because, age matters na. Para sige lang, tuloy lang. For the sake of art.
Yes, of course. Thank you, Sir Joel. Sir